Hello, dear student. Welcome to all of you. So now your sixth semester now started. So in this semester, our entomological course is ENTO 365. The course title is the management of beneficial insect. And today we are going to learn and discuss on the topic. This it is the first topic. The name of this importance of beneficial insects in agriculture. So today we are only discuss its introduction and its importance. Now let's see in detail. So firstly, I'm sharing you one slide that on many insect that you observe. You can see here like some beneficial insect, and you learn in previous semester like some predators, some parasitoids, and even some also the major like pollinators and beneficial insect. So like firstly it's a this all insect. So discuss about its introduction. So the beneficial insects, already you know well, it's a play a very important role in agriculture. Why? That to by means of to work as a pollination and even also to regulate or to maintain the different pest management. So that means we can call them through these homeostatics. That homeostasis means what? That what may be the natural regulations of plant insect pest, and which are main role or aims hands to what the insect derived in ecosystem services that to from that conservation perspective called as that called to that to regulate the different pests, and it is very important to maintain the pest population. Okay, so let's see in detail about this importance of beneficial insect. So already we learned that I said that it's a pollinators. So here the many pollinators that present in a natural ecosystem that which are that visiting on flowers and that use for the foraging. Okay, and why to obtain the plant provided food like nectar, even also the pollen. So that purpose that some insect are perform a role as a pollinators, and these insect are generally many that including in numerous cultivated plant, like in case of sunflower, cucurbitaceous vegetables, even some coriander, cardamom, apple. That why it is essential steps in the that reproduction for the majority of the world's flowering plants, even that to better production, to maintain the food stability, and to obtaining the many yield in case of this agricultural. That a very important role performed by this all pollinators. So actually what in agriculture, many crops that depend on this pollination, and that those insects are related to carried the pollination for the seed production, even for the fruit setting in case of the like pomegranate, and even like sunflower, and to get the or to achieve uh, maximum yield. And if we take example that in the globally, so more than 35% of crop production is a result of insect pollination. So that's why the pollinators are very important. And we can take another example of like honeybee. Like we can examples the species of European honeybees called that Apis mellifera. and which is very much responsible. So why for the pollination and in services in the majority of the crops to get yield. Okay, so that's why it is considered the most effective insect as a pollinator of most of the plant species, and other insects have been also recognized for the contribution of pollination, like some insect are like weevil. During that many crops that pollinated, and like example like weevil is the species also different Elacidobnis species, and plays very important role in pollination in case of this oil palm. This all that information I will provide you during that when I give you the notes. So there is that mention. So that's I'm that telling you only this example. Okay, so this is about this pollination. Now, as a natural enemies point of view, so already we learned and studied also in previous semester the many insects are the natural enemies, and to get responsible to maintain the pest population in crops, and generally called as predators, parasitoids, some parasite that which attacks and feed on the other insect. And these natural enemies are that responsible for controlling nearly that 33% of the insect that pest under natural condition. And even also that predaceous some insect that belong to different order, generally in the Dictyoptera, even also then Coleoptera, and that are the bigger than their prey and unable to consume more than insect and to control the pest. So, but the if you compare with the parasitoid, so here I mentioned some like predators like green lace wing. Okay, this ladybird beetle, some spider, even some dragonfly, some redwood bug, and praying mantis that have the important role in the pest management to control many pests. Okay, and if we compare with the like parasitoid, they are the equal size with the host. Okay, and they complete their life cycle on the single insect or single host, and to reproduce the many individual in single host, and mostly the orders are the Hymenoptera and generally Diptera. The pest insect comes under this order of natural enemies. Okay, so that's why they are considered to more specialized and then the prey. And in agricultural ecosystem, the natural enemies have to potential to prevent the crop pest and to minimize the pest population and to below the that economical damage in agricultural crops. So that's why this natural enemy is very important. This is also. Now, let's in details talk about the weed killers. Here I am showing you one weed killer insect. Actually, this is it's a Zygogramma beetle, and the Zygogramma beetle is generally used to feed on the flowers of the Parthenium grass. So, as we know, the many insect that feed upon the unwanted weeds, unwanted plant, in the same manner, and already that to do with the cultivated crops. And in many cases, the occurrence of this insect has contributed much towards eradication of weeds across the world. Why? This nowadays the weed problem in agriculture crops that facing the problem by these farmers. And as we know, if these type of the insect we release in the field, so this weed can control by this uh, insect. Like that I told you, this one insect is Hygogramma beetle. Okay, so another example also that known as like agent is a Dactylopius punici that use against weed is prickly pear, even like Lantana camera weed that controlled by this Ophiomia lantani. This is also the some other another example that I'm telling you. So I provide you this all this information. So now the next one. insect as a food. Here that one person that using that some insect as a food. So already in our human ancestors were used to get nutrition from insect. Okay, so even today also, so many peoples are use a insect as a food, mostly in the tribal part of the region in our country also, in many countries also that use in food, that people has used as food in many countries, because of why they have the presence of the high protein percent, even low fat, and the examples about that use as a insect as a food, like dried grasshopper. This is, it's not a it's a dried grasshopper and crickets are sold in the different markets, in village markets, like in Mexico. And in case of this insect are mixed with the flour also, and to make tortillas, and can be fried and to use as a meal. So that's why the insect also that performs as a food. Even also some wood boring beetles larvae can be also boiled and used as a food. And example here mention that example ants, bees, termites, water grubs, caterpillars, flies, crickets, many insects are generally used in that food. In also Thailand, the many silkworm pupa that use as a food for human being. So this is the importance of the beneficial insect. Okay, so now let's see in the next one, the insect as a medicine. So in ancient times, the insect derived and its product have been widely used in medicine, like honeybee. It's a one insect, and this product is honey. Is best medicine in various problems that occur in the human, like fever and other. Okay, this is one example. Second one is the maggots, and showed healing property in chronic patient and most surgical wounds that were occur. So that time this type the maggots and the honey that have the property. And about, if we talk about this honey, is also being used to treat burns combination with the beeswax, and it is found to be best curative control for the many dermatological disorders patient. Another product of this honeybees is also that royal jelly, so that secreted by these honeybees, and which is used to treat post-menopausal symptoms. So that's why the insect also that performs a vast role in medicine. Okay, so this is overall all that today's lecture, and this topic was importance of pest, importance of beneficial insect. So hope you understood, and after this lecture I will that send the that its notes about this the first topic. Thank you.